I tried replacing an Advance R-2S40-1-TP with GE-240-RS-MV-N-DIY electronic ballast. Bulbs are 2 each F40T 12 foot. Fluorescents. Wiring on both new and old ballast are the same. Swapped and new ballast stays on for 5 minutes and then shuts down, doesn't restart. This happened with a spare new GE-240-RS-MV-N-DIY also.
Hi, I'm Mike and I'll be glad to assist you. Do you have both wires on each socket wired together and then to the lead from the ballast? How many of each color wires do you have on the ballast?
I have 2 blue, 2 red and 2 yellow wires. The blue wires run to one bulb, one blue wire on each bulb tab, both slots on the receptacle. Same with the red wires. The 2 yellow wires go to 2 yellow wires on the fixture to one bulb receptacle where they are pigtailed over to the other bulb receptacle. Yellow wires on one end of the bulb, blue and red wires at the other ends.
If you have that many leads, the ballast is for up to 4 lamps. 1. On all lamp sockets connect the 2 wire together, this shunts the socket. 2. Wire 1 yellow to both lamps on one end. 3. Wire the reds 1 to each lamp on the other end. 4. Tape off the remaining leads, they are not used.
The diagram on both ballasts shows 2 blue wires to one end of one bulb, 2 red wires to one end of the other bulb, and 2 yellow wires to be run to the other ends of the bulb, both shunted together. What you're saying is I don't need the blue wires. The diagram shows only the 2 bulbs.
The directions I gave are a standard for an electronic ballast. Have a tech problem in uploading a diagram. Please stand by.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.